Ninh explains Public Speaking 101, the technique to public speaking. So hopefully you guys tuned into my video on getting over the fear of public speaking, and if not, I'll leave the link in the description below. And now that you've overcome the crippling fear and the involuntary puking and weeing, it's now time to arm you with the tools that you need to be an effective public speaker. Not those kind of tools, although that would be easier. The first thing you need to do is prepare. Know your subject inside and out. And the reason why I want you to do this is because even if you get lost, even if you forget what to say, you'll pick it back up pretty much straight away, because it's not too difficult to talk about a subject that you know intimately. And how do you want to present it? Do you want to be funny, serious? Do you want your audience to cry, feel pain, and to be inspired by what you say? Decide on your approach. Now, let's work on the physicals. Eye contact, smile, and posture. Posture is important because without it, everything else doesn't work. I want you to practice standing like Superman or like Wonder Woman, and I want you to try that for 2 minutes. Literally just stand there for 2 minutes. This multiplies your feelings of confidence. Obviously, don't do that when you're speaking to people. This is just an exercise. But when you do start speaking, maintain an open body posture. Smile and make eye contact with members of the audience. I know it's a little daunting when they're all staring back at you, but you're not actually paying attention to them. You're concentrating on what you're saying. And don't imagine people naked. That really doesn't work. People who are scared of public speaking focus on themselves. Don't. Focus exactly on what you're trying to say. And when you talk about your subject, say it with conviction, like you mean it. Try and convince people that what you say matters. Because if you don't believe it, they won't believe it. Vary your tone and speed to accentuate points, especially if it's really important. You might want to slow down your speech to accentuate the point. See what I did there? Breathe and pause often. A lot of people want to rush and then forget to breathe, and then they forget what they say, so they stumble, they argue, and then they go blah, 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 blah. Don't. Take your time. Make sure that you breathe and pause often. The whole idea is to get people to understand what you're trying to say to them. Practice in front of a mirror or a video camera. I know some of you are a little bit camera shy, but be safe in the knowledge that no one generally can see you talking to yourself in the mirror, and you could delete the video footage at will. The whole idea is to use this as a training aid to improve yourself as a public speaker. You'll know where you're going wrong. You'll know if it sounds right. It's just a training aid. And remember, nobody is born an amazing public speaker. You have to practice a little bit and make sure that the feelings of doubt and fear don't cripple you. You'll be well on your way to becoming an excellent public speaker. Tune in to part 3, Mastery of Public Speaking, the surefire way that separates you from being average to exceptional. But if you have found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there, and if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below.